How to do bicycle crunches. Essential of moves. Hey everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most effective of exercises out there, the bicycle crunch. If you're aiming for a stronger core and those elusive six-pack abs, this move is a must-add to your workout routine. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. What are bicycle crunches? Bicycle crunches are a dynamic exercise targeting the rectus abdominis, obliques, and hip flexors. This move mimics a pedaling motion, engaging your core and enhancing overall stability and strength. Benefits of bicycle crunches. Core strengthening. Engages both upper and lower abs for a comprehensive core workout. Improved balance and stability. Strengthens the core, enhancing overall balance and stability. Increased endurance. Builds stamina, helping you perform better in other exercises and daily activities. How to do bicycle crunches correctly. Starting position. Lie flat on your back with your lower back pressed into the floor. Place your hands behind your head, elbows wide. Lift and twist. Lift your shoulder blades off the ground, bringing your right knee towards your chest, while simultaneously rotating your torso to bring your left elbow towards your right knee. Switch sides. Straighten your right leg, while bringing your left knee towards your chest and your right elbow towards your left knee. Pedaling motion. Continue this pedaling motion, alternating sides in a controlled manner. Focus on engaging your core and not pulling on your neck. Tips for optimal results. Controlled movements. Avoid rushing through the exercise. Controlled, deliberate movements maximize muscle engagement. Breathe properly. Exhale as you twist and inhale as you switch sides to maintain a steady rhythm. Full range of motion. Ensure each twist brings your elbow as close to the opposite knee as possible for maximum effectiveness. Common mistakes to avoid. Pulling on the neck. Keep your hands light behind your head to avoid straining your neck. Lack of core engagement. Focus on using your core to lift your torso and twist, not just your shoulders. Rushed movements. Slow down to maintain form and get the most out of each rep. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Let's get those abs burning.